Wednesday, short and important news. Custom charges on canoes, oranges, and sulfur have been reduced. The Finance Ministry says that it has reduced transit customs duty of canoes, oranges, and sulfur from 110% to 60%. In addition, the General Department of Customs has advised all related customs to give priority to these products in foreign transit. Honey production increased in Kandahar this year. The Department of Agriculture, Irrigation and Livestock of Kandahar says that 35 tons of honey have been collected from 21 beekeeping farms in this province in the last months of the year. Collection of more than 13 million Afghanis revenue from Ghazni Telecommunication Directorate. Ghazni Telecommunication Directorate says that after the rule of Islamic Emirate, more than 13 million Afghanis have been collected from distribution of passports, postal services and sales of SIM cards of Salam Telecommunication Network. Governmental lands have been recovered. The Ministry of Justice says that 15,776 acres of land has been established as the governmental land in Kunduz. The European Union's advisor met with the Deputy Governor of Kandahar. The European Union's political advisor for Afghanistan and its security advisor in a meeting with the Deputy Governor of Kandahar, Maulavi Hayatullah Mubarak, said that European Union will provide 500 million euros in aid to Afghan people by the 2023. Cash distributed to needy families in Nangarhar. 1,781 displaced returnees and extremely vulnerable families received non-food and cash assistance in Nangarhar province. Islamic Emirate of Afghanistan is committed to forming a professional army. Hundreds of the Islamic Emirate of Afghanistan's soldiers graduated after completing their training military courses in Balkh province, says local officials.